By far, this is one of the best, if not the best one-bedroom project that we've done here in our channel. We could probably say that this makeover was not an easy feat, as we put in a lot of blood, sweat, and tears to get it done. Just to give you the overview of the project, the design concept for this space, as they would repeatedly mention during our meeting, is simple and elegant. And from then, I thought of calling it Project Simple Opulence. I wanted the unit to have this classy minimalistic feel that is very contemporary, an interior that features design that are high on function and simplicity and low on collection and fuss. I wanted the space to have this timeless appeal. Among the projects that we have done, this property holds a special spot as various techniques and keen details have been applied to achieve the most desirable design. The result obviously exhibit dimensions with better flowing space, providing a simple yet cohesive space without altering the existing floor layout. Also, there's an added touch of opulence by simply rearranging the furniture and fixtures, which are well thought of and reflective of the owner's identity and sense of style. These were all made possible due to the trust and special connection we have with our clients. Not only they become our friends, but more of an extended family as they have treated us nicely since day one. To cap it all, I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation to Tito Cesar and Tita Marlene for the trust reposed in me. We had lots of fun and learnings in doing this makeover. All the hard work, passion, and dedication that we poured into this project have translated into a beautiful masterpiece. Though this may be a year ago since its official turnover, the owner now decided to sell it as they would be permanently residing overseas. If any one of you is interested, kindly contact us through Studio Ploy Properties, details of which will be provided in the description box below. To those who were able to watch up to this point, thank you guys so much. I would really appreciate if you also click that like button. At this moment, we are only 11K away from reaching the 100K milestone. If you haven't already, please do also subscribe to our channel. It would greatly help us to continuously create and elevate our contents. To everyone, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.